How to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to give you an easy tutorial on how we can fix the WhatsApp incoming call not showing onto your device. So let's get started. But before starting, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, I want you to long press on this app and go to the app info. After that, go to notifications and make sure you have turned on the notifications option. If it is not, just tap on turn. After that, I want you to go under in-app notification settings, which is the notification settings of the official WhatsApp. So after that, I want you to make sure you have turned on every option. If any of the option is toggled off, just turn it on and you will be able to receive every kind of notifications that WhatsApp is giving you. After that, I want you to go to your Play Store. After going to Play Store, just go to the search bar and this time search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, just tap on it and look for update. If any kind of update is available for WhatsApp, you will be able to see here update option instead of open. Just tap on update and wait for that app to be updated, and probably that is going to fix your issue of your WhatsApp incoming call not showing in your device or your screen. So therefore, in this way, you can fix your issue of your WhatsApp call not showing on screen. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.